spinners in for the Bangladesh side. India, deep mid-wicket fielder says mine and takes it easily. Jaqar Ali, who prefers the leg side, prefers the slog sweep. The length was there, but absolutely no timing. Fight when it comes to for the spinner, it's not going to be much when it comes to the delivery is just skidding on, but attacking the stumps the way forward, and they've been really good trying to attack the stumps.
And that's the way to go when the ball gets damp. What you need to do is just keep on bowling in the stump. This was a last delivery of the previous over, dispatched it away for 4 through cover by Ma Sadakat. Yeah, Mehdi Hasan's been outstanding over the years. He's done extremely well for his teams and for his country. Again, giving a bit more flight. Varies his pace so nicely, 83 kilometers an hour. He stays within sort of 83 kilometers to 93. And normally, in shorter version of the game, you use, say, matchups off spinner to right-hander batsman. No. You always say left armer, spin, ball moving, going away from the right-hander batter. Not in his case. He is very smart when it comes to even to the right-hander batters. He keeps on asking questions, bowling straight at stumps. If you play cross line, he will trouble you.
One thing for sure in the international side for Bangladesh, and this is what we're speaking about, wicket to wicket, the beehive. Most of the delivery is hitting the stumps. Mehdi Hasan as well as Mehdi Hasan Miraj, the two off spinners, are really good spinners. They're quite different but exceptional performers. And when it comes to your spinners, I feel this is a good battle to watch out for. And in the recent past, I think Mehdi Hasan Miraj has been overlooked because Mehdi Hasan has been bowling really well. So healthy competition being built among the two spinners for the Bangladesh side. India, deep mid-wicket fielder says mine and takes it easily. Jaqar Ali, who prefers the leg side, prefers the slog sweep. The length was there, but absolutely no timing. And Mehdi Hasan, the skipper, strikes again.
Yeah, again, little slower, ball landing on the seam. Little bit extra bounce, and Jaqar Ali was not really close to the pitch of the ball. And hitting it in the air once again, catching superb. Nokheli picking up their 4th wicket. Jaqar Ali gone for 6, is 54 for 4, trouble.
International experience at number 6 for Naukali Express. Pakistan international Haider Ali made a name for himself, opening the batting at number 6. Plenty of experience. Eyes of 91 not out. And won't Naukali Express would love at least a 70-60 from Haider Ali batting at number 6. He's here because Jaqar Ali trying to go for a massive hit, been caught at mid-wicket.
Yeah, he was never in control of that shot. These guys play against each other, with each other so much. They know exactly how the other batter or bowler thinking. That wasn't a great shot. Haider Ali. Yeah, again looking to turn it around. Playing it onside. No good. 54 for 4 after 8.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.